Introducing the all-new JBL Flip 7, the sound that moves with you. Engineered for adventure, the Flip 7 delivers powerful JBL Pro Sound. Anywhere, anytime. Rain, poolside, or snow, no worries. With an upgraded IPX7 waterproof design, it's built to withstand it all. Take the party up a notch with Party Boost. Pair multiple JBL speakers and feel the beats surround you. Up to 15 hours of battery life, your music keeps going long after the sun sets. Sleek, durable, stylish. Available in a range of bold colors to match your vibe. JBL Flip 7. Flip the sound. Feel the freedom. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And for more awesome content, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.